Hi, I'm JR with Living in Redding, and today we're helping you figure out why I keep saying Redding, where the world wants to live. Well, today we're looking at the first 3D printed house in the state of California. It's right here in Redding, because Redding is a city full of innovation, very encouraging for innovation. So you can see right there, that is the first part of the house, and there's several layers that have been printed. The head of the printer is right about there. Where is it? There's the head of the printer, and that entire structure controls it. I don't know what I'm talking about here, but all I know is we keep running into this innovative stuff happening all over Redding, because it is really where the world wants to live. People are doing some amazing things in this little community. I don't care about the politics of California. We're making a difference here, and things are happening. So this is the first 3D printed house in California, in Enterprise Park. They're going to use this as the Ranger Park's house, the park house, and they're going to build out. It looks like it's going to be built out that whole area there. But very interesting that we have these things happening in Redding, California. So this video channel is all about living in Redding. If you have any questions about Redding, I'm happy to answer those. Feel free to text, email, or even call me. Appreciate you, and look forward to connecting to you and discovering more things about why Redding is where the world wants to live.